And here you go, guys. The free resources are here and they're appearing right now. It's really nice to see this. Yo guys, 900k free coins in Matchmaster's game, and this is now possible thanks to our great sponsors who decided to offer us a way to get them for free. So that being said, I'm just gonna make sure my power saving mode is turned off. So here I'm gonna enable and disable it again just to be sure about that. Then I show you my Matchmaster's game, and here is the situation before trying the method. Please make sure you also tap on your profile icon and check again your username because we're gonna use it soon. Firstly, I'm opening my browser and go to ontwig.com. Make sure it's the .com one, guys, not anything else. Then I search for the Matchmasters game, and to find it easier, then tap on the start button. Here I'm entering my username, then I select Android. Then of course I'm gonna go with the max amount of coins, which is in our case 900k. As I mentioned earlier, guys, these Matchmasters coin were bought by some nice sponsors and they require you to do an additional step in order to receive them. But don't worry about it because this step is super easy and it generally takes you a few minutes of your time depending on your country. Now let's go back to our game and see what happened. And here you go, guys. The free resources are here and they're appearing right now. It's really nice to see this. I'm just gonna put my finger above so you can see this is for real. Hope you also enjoy this method, and please don't forget to smash that button, that like button, and even hit the subscribe one too if you wish. Hope you have a great day.